All right, buddy. So last night was our first experience in Seattle area of a very serious windstorm. It was very scary, and most of Seattle lost their power. Tacoma lost power all the way over to Olympia. And the electric company says it could be days before electricity gets restored to everyone. So we're just out and about seeing what the damage has done to other people's campers and our campground in the town. So thought I would give you guys a little bit of footage of the windstorm that happened last night. This is the rec room at the campground.
Zach, leave it alone. We're not touching those.
We are so happy to see that a lot of these RVs just have a couple branches on the top and none of them look to be affected at all with the tree coming down, so that's good. Actually looking not as terrible as we thought here at least, but I heard in town it's pretty bad.
Over there, the west almost fall down. It's just hanging with a little tiny bot like this. Tiny piece. They almost rolled down and I whip it up and I put it there. That's his tree house. And we did for the pike, I did. Or we did. So we're walking down our campground right now, and there's a whole bunch of sticks on RVs, but it's going to be not damaged. What did they all RV? We had a windstorm. All of our power went out. We still have heat, so that's good. We had no power, and we can't be around the places.
So this would be why our power is out at the campground right now. This is right outside the campground. That is a massive tree on a power line. And then we also have another tree on a power line down there. And the road is closed. Lots of damage done. I'm sure it looks like this all over Seattle. Very, very dangerous. So we're gonna go for a drive on the roads that don't have any trees down and be very safe today.